Ever feel like your finances are scattered across a million different places? Receipts stuffed in wallets, bank statements buried in emails, that nagging feeling you forgot to pay a bill? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. That's exactly what Mint set out to solve over a decade ago. But here's the thing, if you haven't checked your budgeting app recently, you might be in for a surprise. Mint, the once dominant name in personal finance management, is no more. So, what happened? Let's dive into the rise, fall, and surprising future of Mint. From humble beginnings to budgeting bliss. Back in 2006, a guy named Aaron Patzer had a vision. He saw a world where people could ditch the spreadsheets and confusing interfaces and instead manage their finances in one simple place. That's how Mint.com, the original name, was born. The idea was revolutionary. Mint aggregated your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investments into a single dashboard. You could track spending, set budgets, and even receive bill reminders. It was like having a financial co-pilot whispering money-saving tips in your ear. The Intuit acquisition and soaring popularity. Fast forward a few years, and Mint was a runaway success story. By 2009, millions of users were relying on the app to keep their finances on track. That's when Intuit, the company behind TurboTax and QuickBooks, came knocking. They saw the potential of Mint and scooped it up in a multi-billion-dollar deal. Under Intuit's wing, Mint continued to soar. They leveraged Intuit's existing partnerships with financial institutions, making account linking even smoother. They introduced new features, from bill pay to personalized financial goals. Mint became a household name, synonymous with smart budgeting. The security concerns and a shifting landscape. But cracks started to appear in the seemingly perfect picture. Security concerns arose about how Mint aggregated user data. Some financial institutions, worried about potential breaches, began limiting access. Then came a bigger blow. In 2023, a key partner, Fidelity Investments, stopped allowing Mint to access data through a method called screen scraping. This was a critical blow, as screen scraping formed the backbone of Mint's account aggregation. The announcement and a disappointed user base. Faced with these challenges and a changing financial landscape, Intuit made a surprising announcement. In late 2023, they declared that Mint would be shutting down permanently in March 2024. The news sent shockwaves through the personal finance community. Millions of users, who relied on Mint for years, were left scrambling for alternatives. Here's the kicker, Intuit didn't leave them completely high and dry. They encouraged users to migrate to their other product, Credit Karma, which also offers some budgeting features. However, the transition wasn't smooth. Credit Karma, while a good tool, lacked some of Mint's core functionalities, particularly robust budgeting and goal setting. Many users felt the switch was a downgrade. So, where does this leave us? The closure of Mint marked a significant shift in the personal finance app landscape. While Mint may be gone, its legacy lives on. It paved the way for a new generation of budgeting tools, all competing to offer users the easiest and most secure way to manage their money. The good news? You have options. From industry giants like Inab and Personal Capital to innovative newcomers like Mint's spiritual successor, Monarch, there are plenty of tools to choose from. The future of budgeting apps. Looking ahead, the future of budgeting apps is bright. Expect to see even more emphasis on security, data privacy, and seamless account linking. Artificial intelligence, AI, is also poised to play a bigger role, offering personalized insights and automated financial guidance. Who knows, maybe the next big budgeting app is still waiting to be created. Maybe it's even you with your own innovative idea. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.